If I had 5 products, just 5 products to create a stunning Diwali look, then it would be these. First, a concealer. Many a times, even if you have uneven skin tone like me, you don't need a foundation. Fun fact. A good concealer is all that you need. The one that I'm using is my personal favorite. It's the Milani concealer in the shade 145. 145 is the shade warm beige, which is a true match to my skin tone. I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes till it's a little bit dry and tacky, and that's when I'm going to start blending it out. When you wait for it to dry for a couple minutes, it gives you more coverage when you blend it out. If you blend it out immediately after application, then the tools that you're using, whether a sponge or a brush, tend to absorb some of that product and shear it out. So if you need more coverage, wait for a couple minutes. And why is it important to use a concealer that's a true match to your skin tone? That's because when you apply it over the uneven skin tone, it's not going to start looking ashy or give you flashbacks. That's because it neutralizes everything and blends into your skin tone seamlessly. And what am I doing with the concealer? I'm just spot correcting, meaning I'm only using it in areas where I have that uneven skin tone, dark circles and dark spots, and around my mouth where I have dark patches. Now with the residue that's left on the brush, I'm going to use it on my lids to even out the skin tone, and that'll also serve as the base for the eyeshadows. The second product that I'm going to be using is so versatile that you can use it on your lips, cheeks, and eyes. And the one that I'm using is from Physicians Formula. It's a multicolor stick, and this has an SPF of 20, and I'm using the shade Natural Rose. It's extremely pigmented, and I don't like to use it directly on my face, so I take a little bit in the back of my hand, then dab it with a brush before I use it on my cheeks. That'll help blend it beautifully into the skin, and it looks absolutely stunning. And because it's a multi-stick, I'm going to be using it later on my lips as well. The third product that I'm going to be using is a translucent powder, but with a little bit of pigment. This is the Say translucent powder in the shade medium. And the reason I'm using a powder with a little bit of pigment is it gives you that extra coverage. At the same time, helps set the entire face without looking overly cakey because it's a translucent powder. The fourth product that I'm going to be using is a neutral eyeshadow palette. Today I'm going to be using the Tartelette In Bloom Clay Eyeshadow Palette, which has a good combination of mattes and metallics. I'm going to first dip into Smoky Show, which is a charcoal shade to fill in my brows. If you didn't know, you can double up your eyeshadows as an eyebrow powder. So I'm just going to be using an angled brush here to fill in first the top portion of my brows, and then I'm going to use the spoolie in the back to brush my brow hair upwards and fill in the bottom portion. And as you can see, that's so pigmented and fills in the brows beautifully. So having a neutral eyeshadow palette is multi-purpose. You can use it on your brows, lids, sometimes on your cheeks to contour, and also to fill in your hairline. For my lids, I'm going to start with the shade Sweetheart to warm up my outer corner and crease. To warm it up further, I'm going to dip into Rebel, and I'm going to use it in the outer corner, the crease, and then my lower lash line. As you can tell, I'm taking very little eyeshadow at a time, and I'm slowly building up the intensity as needed. I started out with a lighter shade because that'll set the tone for the other eyeshadows that you'll be using. And then of course you can use deeper eyeshadows over it to get a nice ombre of shades. Next, I'm opting for a neutral gold shade. This is called Firecracker. With my finger, I'm going to apply it on my lid, and then with a brush, I'm going to blend out the edges. And then with Funny Girl, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. There's nothing like a beautiful fish-shaped eye, especially when you wear Indian attire. So I'm going to dip into Smoke Show again. With a small angled brush, I'm going to use it in the very outer corner, both in my upper and lower lash lines. First, I'm going to use it in the outer corner of my upper lash line and smoke it out. And then I'm going to repeat in my lower lash line. That'll help to add that intensity in the outer corner and give you that fish-eyed look. Using Funny Girl again, I'm going to highlight my brow bones. And just so you know, you can also double it up as a highlighter for your face. The fifth and final product that I'm going to be using is a mascara. This is the Lash Princess Mascara by Essence. If you're looking for a good drugstore mascara, I highly recommend this. It adds both length and volume, and because the wand is so thin, you can use it both in your upper as well as lower lashes. And just look at the length and volume that it added to my lashes. You need no false lashes with this. And here is the completed eye look. And just look at the length and volume that it added to my lashes. You need no false lashes with this. And here is the completed eye look. I love the fact that it's a neutral glam. It looks very classy. The metallics are not overpowering and it looks absolutely stunning. Using a little bit more of the brown eyeshadow, I'm going to very lightly contour my nose. And you can see instantly it slims down the bridge of the nose. And you can use a cooler brown shade to contour your face. You can use a warmer brown shade from the palette itself as a bronzer on your face as well. So having a good neutral eyeshadow is so versatile. You can use it for multi-purpose. As I explained, I'm going to be using the Multistick again, but this time on my lips. First, I'm going to take it with my finger and I'm going to saturate my lips. And then with a lip brush, I'm going to clean up the borders. I love this shade. It's so universal. You can either tone it down or you can layer up. And I have pigmented lips, but this has beautiful coverage. It's time to get my earrings and bindi and a nice sari. And here is the completed look. Sometimes you don't need too many products. You just need a good technique and the right products. And in this case, just 5 products. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please thumbs up if you did. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several videos a week. All the products that I used are listed in the description box below, as well as you can click on the view products link embedded within this video and it'll take you directly to the products I used. I love the season. It puts me in such a festive mood. Happy Diwali to everyone, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.